Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use the Cadillac Escalade rear entertainment system. Start by powering on the vehicle and pressing the rear entertainment power button. Next, unfold the rear display, set the vehicle to park, and pair headphones or remotes. Use the touchscreen or remote to select input, then adjust volume and screen settings. I'll walk through Bluetooth, HDMI, and media playback for a smooth passenger experience. First, enable Bluetooth on your phone and select the Escalade rear entertainment device from the list. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter any PIN and accept connection requests. For wired devices, use the HDMI or USB ports behind the console and choose that input on the display. Adjust audio routing to rear speakers or headphones and test a short video to confirm both sound and video playback work properly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tech guides. Quick recommendation: on long drives your feet matter, so consider Darn Tough socks for durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for road trips and backseat movie marathons. I've linked a deal in the description with more options and discounts, so check that out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose the proper input, HDMI, USB, or built-in apps to play your content. Insert a USB drive with media files, or connect a phone using an HDMI adapter to mirror video. Navigate the app launcher to open compatible streaming apps and use the remote or touchscreen to control playback. Manage subtitles, audio tracks, and screen brightness. And remember that some apps may require signing in on the front display first for account authentication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.